Well, I think we're at a very interesting crossroads, a very exciting crossroads. We have to, as a nation, address unemployment. The secret to that is going to be manufacturing and not just becoming a nation of consumers. And when we manufacture, we need to manufacture for the world. And that's going to help to create a lot of jobs in South Africa. So it's very exciting. It's supported by the president. It's a priority for him and the government. And I think EMO is an incredible platform. In fact, from our experience, we export tools to over 70 different countries around the world. We attend many exhibitions around the world. None compares to EMO. The number of visitors we have, the size of it, not just for visitors, but also for seeing our suppliers. So I would say if you want to prioritize any exhibition in the world, you should prioritize EMO.